Hey YouTube, it's me, Eric. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Today we're going to be taking out the rear diff on my Evo 9 to rearrange the clutch packs so it's JDM spec.
Perfect.
Alright, now that we got the diff out of the car, we can start to disassemble it.
Perfect.
Alright guys, we finally made it to the center. What we have here is the USDM arrangement, which is incorrect. You have plate, clutch, clutch, plate, plate, clutch. We need to rearrange it so it's JDM spec, which will be plate, clutch, plate, clutch, plate, clutch.
Perfect.
Alright, now that we got it all restacked, it's time to put it back together and get it put back in the car. Alright guys, that's a wrap on this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till next time.